How to set up voice match for your Google Assistant on Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into a topic where you can easily turn on the voice match option on your Google Assistant app on any of your Android device. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your settings menu. And from your settings, you need to make sure that you have Google Assistant turned on as your assistant. So what you need to do here is go ahead and tap on the display option. Then you want to go over to the navigation bar. You can find the default digital assistant app. You can find it over here and then make sure that you set this to Google. Now tap on OK. And then you need to go ahead and go to Google over here. Then go to Google Services and then tap on All Services. Scroll down and find your Google Assistant. Tap on Search Assistant and Voice. Then you need to go to Google Assistant and here you can find your voice match. So all you have to do is tap on voice match at the top. You can teach your assistant to learn your voice. So go ahead and turn on Hey Google so you can access your assistant at any time you say Hey Google, even if your screen is off. But this requires voice match so that your assistant can tell you apart from others. Turn this one on, and you need to bear a few things in mind that Hey Google requires voice match to recognize that it's you. So Hey Google and voice match are powered by Google Assistant, and without Hey Google, you can still use touch to get help from your assistant. And your assistant may be activated when you didn't intend to be, such as if there's a noise that sounds like Hey Google or if it's activated accidentally by touch. So go ahead and tap on agree. Now tap on I agree again. Then you need to say, Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now the voice match is done, so you can easily access Hey Google even if your phone is turned off, and it's going to recognize your voice. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you set up the voice match for your Google Assistant on your Android device. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.